Yes, viewers, you are welcome to YangaLife channel. And today we want to bring it to your notice that the federal government of Nigeria has placed ban on the use of laterite for road construction. Yes, some of us may not be aware. This is because of the dangers associated with the use of laterite. Majorly in this part of the world, tropical rainforest area. It's worse, the damage is worse in the tropical rainforest, compared to other places. But if laterite can be avoided entirely, it's going to go a long way, to make the road to last. So, but I'm going to, give you the reasons why government have said that. Then I'm going to roll out the advantages of not using laterite, but sharp sand and lumps to make your base before applying asphalt or concrete coverage. Then the several medias, several dailies carried the information that the federal government has placed this ban. So, but we are going to give a rundown of the advantages of not using laterite and the use of sharp sand or lumps or stone base to form your foundation while constructing a road. So, as part of the ongoing reforms at the Federal Ministry of Works, the Minister David Umahi has ruled out the use of laterite in road construction and directed that henceforth contractors should use lumps, sharp sand, and stone base to form the base before laying of concrete or asphalt pavements. Just like I said, this laterite, is not too okay for tropical rainforest region. It can easily change, the settings. It can easily adjust. So they have discovered that it's not good, that people should stop, contractors should stop using it to make roads. You see, when you have people that wants to work in government, you will see innovations, you will see improvements, just like what you can see here. You can see this one have a laterite base, but it's not because of that. I think majorly is because of lack of maintenance. But they are trying to tell us that the avoidance of the use of laterite can make the road to last. It will avoid water that is coming under, when the rainy season is much, that place will soak water, and it doesn't go well with water. But sand, sharp sand, knows how to contain water, lumps, and stone base. So I'm going to detail it out so that you understand the instruction and the advantages of using sharp sand. The minister stated this at the inauguration of the committee for the supervision of the reconstruction of Benin Warri Dual Carriageway and the dualization of East-West Road, Port Harcourt One Port Junction Road in Rivers State. Yes, it's not just that he has issued instruction on the ban on the use of laterite. He has also instituted, supervisory committees to be monitoring road construction. So what this means that anywhere we see construction going on on federal roads, that they are using laterite as base, that it is an offense, that henceforth, is not acceptable. Then there's another thing I want us to note. It's always good that when good policies like this comes out, the states are supposed to follow suit. Yes, it's just like in one of my videos when I was mentioning that this road, the one particular road, the road that along Unizictum site, though I'm not so sure, but I was looking at the road. I said, is after Laterite they formed just a little stone base and they start doing the asphalt. I was like, this thing is not a good way of doing the road, but I was put right that it doesn't matter, that what matters is the quality of the asphalt. So there and there I suspended the issue, but I know that something is terribly wrong with that way of doing road, that the road will not last. Immediately after laterite you get to asphalt, that it doesn't make sense. I know, and I said it, I brought it up, so but you can hear it now. So let's continue. The Director of Press Affairs of the Ministry, Mrs. Lere Adams, in a statement in Abuja, quoted the minister as saying that laterite has a limited load-bearing capacity and is also susceptible to erosions and, weathering, especially in areas with heavy rainfall. See what I've just said, especially in areas of heavy rainfall, it withers off. You can see what happened here along Owerri Onitsha Express Road. The entire road has collapsed. It has a limited load-bearing capacity. So this is a wonderful innovation, and we hope that it's going to go a long way in solving some of our road problems, especially in these tropical rainforest areas. Yes. So, and he continues that which could lead to degradation of the road surface over time. Yes, let me quote him. We are giving very serious attention to the road between Bini and Warri, the road between Eleme and One. But we are mindful of the site conditions of these roads, the water conditions, and the boreholes. Instead of potholes on these roads, no more laterite. Contractors are now to use lumps, sharp sands, and stone base in place of laterite. Yes, that is what the minister said. Then the minister directed the newly inaugurated road task force team to ensure continuous maintenance of all the roads under construction until the end of the project, and make sure that the contractors are duly informed of the developments. Then the committee must implement the contract agreement with maintenance culture as key. Then committee members are to monitor the contractors closely to make sure things are done right. Our contractors can now understand that we are not, insisting that things have changed without a reason, but that the society is, demanding for sustainability and integrity of work they are doing. Yes, it's not business as usual, where contractors will just go and do whatever they want, and from time to time the people that engages him will just come and supervise. No, there is now a committee that will be going after these people to monitor what they are doing. But finally, it depends on the personality involved in that committee, to avoid compromise. But that is a very wonderful initiative that will go a long way to, improve the quality of work being done for Nigerians. Well, let's proceed. We are not at war with the contractors, but contractors should not put the public to sufferance. This has been the minister's, warnings all this while that he has been visiting sites of construction. Then proper daily supervision and documentation of what the contractors is doing is compulsory. See, proper daily supervision is compulsory. Then they must ensure the new method of construction is followed and maintenance follows too, because it is part of the element of the contract, and any offense is punishable, said Umahi. Well, this is coming out from Umahi himself, the Minister of Works in Nigeria. So some of these roads, I see this road under construction now. I made that observation, and like I said, the states are supposed to follow suit. See, I keep saying this thing, even if it will cost a little more or even more to get a good and standard road, it is better the government, state government, spend more to get a standard good road instead of all these makeshift road, or in quotes. But however, some will say that half bread is better than none. So, but it is high time that we start eating full bread. All this while we have been eating half all the time. So let's face this thing and face it squarely. Yes, this road now is Obiokoli Street from Unizictem site down to Y Junction. By the right here is Club Road. By the left is Abakaliki Street. So, but this place we finally need a kind of low speed bumps somewhere up, especially coming down from that Club Street, from that everyday supermarket, because the kind of accident that happens there, even though the road is still under construction, I wonder what will happen when this road is done completely. Because at night, because of the clubs that are around this area, people who, after drinking, they will speeding and come to hit this road, this roundabout and the other one there. So government should consider that, putting speed bumps just at a distance before the roundabout to control the speed. Yes, like I said, I'm going to give us the reasons why the government have introduced or condemned or banned the use of laterite. The use of laterite in forming a stone base. Yes, all this while, when I talk about Julius Berger or RCC, some of these big companies, these are companies that knows what they are doing. Road construction is not just about coming on a site and start constructing road. No, you have to study the soil and the environment. Yes, this is one of the sites of Berger. For instance, this video is just for instance during the construction stage of the link road. You can see, because this place is prone to flood and it soaks water, so they use the proper base, which is sand, sharp sand. Sharp sand is the proper material to use. You can see this road has no laterite. After clearing the surface of the road, they will go on dumping sand. It's just sand all through. After sand, they will lay this layer that you are seeing to still reduce the water from soaking from under. That is the standard. Then after that, they will apply stone base and first coating, second coating, and third coating. So that is the way the road is done, especially in this tropical rainforest. So that's what the rainforest region requires. Sharp sand. Sharp sand. After excavating the road surface, then they will go with sharp sand, and the rest comes up. So, but let me outline to you the advantages of using, lumps, sharp sand, and stone-based materials instead of laterite in road construction. There are advantages that can be, acquired from using these things. So, here are some potential advantages. Yes, the video you are watching is just the site of Second Niger Bridge when the link road is still under construction, but I'm using it as an example so that you see what we are talking about. You see how sand are being lumped together. So you think that the people think that they cannot use laterite or what? They know that sand, sharp sand, absorbs water and retains water comfortably, and this is the best, a material to use to form the base before building the road. So that is very important. So I will tell you so many advantages of using sands and stone base before applying concrete surface or asphalt. Then number one is strength and durability. Lumps are just something like stones that can compact together, if I should get that well. But sharp sand, we know what it is, and stone-based materials, we know what it is. They offered and provide greater strength and durability compared to laterite. So this means that the road can withstand heavier traffic, heavier traffic load and adverse weather conditions, leading to a longer lasting road. So strength and durability is guaranteed when the base is formed with sand and lumps or stone base, without using laterite. Another advantage is improved load bearing capacity. Yes, stone and sharp sand aggregates have excellent load bearing capacities, making them suitable for roads that need to support heavy vehicles or high traffic volumes. Just like I said in one of my videos, you need to determine the kind of traffic that uses a particular route before you know how you are going to construct that road. It's very important. So they are telling us that the use of sharp sand, stone base not using laterite. We help a particular road that have high traffic volumes. Then we talk about resistance to erosion. Resistance to erosion. This one is the main reason that they gave. The minister gave while banning the use of laterite. Then it goes like this: stone and sand bases are less susceptible to erosion caused by heavy rains or flooding, which can be a significant advantage in areas prone to such weather condition. Yes, that's what the minister said. This is the main reason that he gave, that laterite is is easily be washed away with flood or rains, unlike sharp sand and stone base. That is the major reason for changing of this use of laterite. Then another one is reduced maintenance. Yes, reduced maintenance. I will tell you, I will explain. Then road constructed with these materials, typically required less frequent maintenance and repairs, reducing the long-term maintenance costs and inconveniences to road users. So that is it. When all this, when laterite is not in use, but sharp sand and stone base, that is going to reduce the cost and also reduce the inconveniences of road users on the road. Not all the time the government is maintaining the road, or the road goes bad, most often. Yes, I will give you another point for the use of sharp sand, stone base, and lumps to form your base before concrete or asphalt. So, but from what the minister said, it means that asphalt is not completely banned, but he is advising them to use concrete as the main pavement instead of asphalt, because asphalt has been adulterated. The most ones that they import in this country is majorly adulterated asphalts. That's what he's saying. Then smooth surface is a good point. Smooth surface, when properly compacted, you see some of my videos. When you see beggar, most of these places, these places that they build road, after piling the sand, there is a special equipment that comes to compress the sand, compress it very well, so that there will be no gap or movement underneath. So all this compressing and it compacted, when it's being compacted very well, it helps to make the road smooth. So when properly compacted, stone and sharp sand bases can result in a smoother road surface, improving driving comfort and safety. Yes, I can tell you that judging from the old connection road here in Bega, the old connection road that connects the Benin Asaba Expressway and Second Niger Bridge, you hardly see pothole on that road. Even though the road was not that standard, because they know that they are going to remove the road finally. So it's just a connecting road. It was not that standard, but the road has no potholes on it. Yes, I am sure of that. Then another point is consistent material quality. Consistent material quality. These materials often have more consistent quality compared to laterite. Laterites, they are of different qualities, and laterite is of different, make, depending on the area that you get your laterite. So the qualities differs more than sharp sand. So it can vary in composition and quality from one location to another. You see, so that's why that's one of the good points, that the advantages of using sharp sand, lumps, or stone base to form your base before constructing a road, especially in this side of the world. Then we talk about faster, construction. Roads constructed with these materials may be built more quickly due to their ease of handling and consistent quality. Yes. So, but to sum it up, to round up this video, it's important to note that the choice of road construction materials should consider local conditions. That is, local conditions should be considered, engineering requirements, etc. In some cases, laterite may still be a suitable and cost-effective option for road construction. Just like I said earlier, laterite is not good in the tropical rainforest area, that is the southern part of Nigeria, but in some other places it could be a good option. So like I said, laterite can be suitable and cost-effective option for road construction, especially in regions where it is abundant and meets the necessary engineering standard. The selection of materials should be made following a thorough engineering and cost, benefit analysis. So that is it. Well, I believe that the government is making a bold step to improve, the road conditions of Nigeria, and this is a wonderful development. I myself have tried to give you more reasons why the government and the more advantages of using the sharp sand, and stone base instead of using laterites. Well, with this, we come to the end of this video. Until I come your way next time, I still remain Chinedu. Bye for now.